what's poppin', you guys? It's Casey with KC Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today I have a package, which is my new rack. So I'm doing away with my old rack. Old rack, yeah. New beginnings, you guys, new beginnings. So this is the best I can get for this frame. So here it is, y'all. Out with the old and with the new. The thing that I did like about this rack is that at each connection piece, it had a release lock that you could just press and detach or retach each piece to its connection. I feel that that was also convenient for if you needed it for travel or if you needed to move it around a bit. It was more difficult putting it back in the box versus taking it out of the box. So as you can see, I'm trying to be a perfectionist or whatever. I be trying to put stuff exactly how I found it. Nah, that I made space for my old box, old rack. I'm gonna put up the new rack. No rack. No rack. And I would like to add, I didn't have a box cutter. That's what I would usually use, but I don't have my tool bag on me at the moment. So this is not your proper cutting tool. Do not do this at home. If you have a box cutter, preferably that's what you should use. So if you're gonna use this or any type of cutting tool, be sure to cut away from yourself and not towards your cut, towards yourself to avoid any cuts or injury. How did I find my new rack? So I was scrolling on Instagram and I seen a model post a picture with this particular rack, and I thought that would be real convenient for what I'm doing because it has a base unlike my old rack, and I could put shoes on it, bags, and bigger accessories and stuff like that. So my brother wound up knowing the girl, and he gave me the word that she got it off Amazon. So I did my research, and I'll drop the link in the description just in case any of you guys are interested. So I did wind up ordering it because, like I said, it would be real convenient for what I do. So there's me putting together the new rack. The instructions did play a big part in helping me put it together as well as distinguishing the pieces. It does come with all the tools and necessities that you will need to build up this rack, but I found their screwdriver not so useful, so I went and got one that I could use to get the job done.
To the hoes, let them know I'm gone. If you want me back, let me know. This time I won't keep it on the low. I wrote this cause you won't pick up the phone. Don't say nothing, girl, just sing along. If you miss me, like I be missing you. Soon as I get you out my system, girl, I relax. Sweat
The new rack. And yes, I did try to give off different angles of the rack, but it didn't really work out. I hope you guys were able to enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Casey with Casey Styles, and I'm out.